Everyone talks about the jobs AI will destroy. But what about the jobs AI is creating? Let's look at 5 real careers that exist because of AI, and they're growing fast. Number 1, AI prompt engineer. This job didn't even exist 3 years ago. Prompt engineers design the perfect text commands that make AI generate amazing results. They're earning over $100,000 a year at companies like OpenAI and Anthropic. Number 2, AI ethics specialist. As AI becomes more powerful, companies need experts who make sure it stays fair and safe. These specialists work on transparency, bias, and responsible development, one of the fastest growing fields in tech. Number 3, data annotator. Every AI system learns from labeled data. Data annotators organize and tag massive image and text sets. It's simple work, but essential, and it's giving income opportunities to thousands worldwide. Number 4, AI maintenance and support engineer. Just like software needs updates, AI models need monitoring. Engineers now specialize in maintaining accuracy, fixing data errors, and improving models after they go live. Number 5, AI education creator. Teachers, YouTubers, and content creators who simplify AI for the public are exploding in demand. You don't need to be a scientist, just explain complex tech in a human way. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's reshaping them. The future belongs to those who learn with AI, not those who fear it. Follow for more mind-blowing AI facts.